USA has recently signed significant memorandums of understanding with Amkor and SK Hynix to establish advanced chip packaging facilities. These deals are part of the CHIPS and Science Act, aimed at bolstering the U.S. semiconductor industry. SK Hynix plans to invest approximately $3.87 billion in West Lafayette, Indiana, to build a high-bandwidth memory, HBM, advanced packaging fabrication and R&D facility. This investment is expected to create around 1,000 new jobs and strengthen the U.S. AI hardware supply chain. Amkor has also signed an MO, securing $400 million in direct funding and access to $200 million in loans under the CHIPS and Science Act. This initiative will further enhance the U.S. semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. These agreements are part of a broader effort to ensure the U.S. remains a leader in advanced semiconductor technology and to create high-quality jobs domestically. U.S. strengthen its semiconductor manufacturing capabilities and reduce dependency on foreign suppliers, particularly in the context of rising geopolitical tensions and supply chain vulnerabilities. Amkor Technology. Amkor is one of the world's largest providers of outsourced semiconductor packaging and test services. The deal with Amkor involves setting up a state-of-the-art packaging facility in the U.S. which will enhance the domestic capacity to package and test semiconductor chips. SK Hynix, a leading memory chip maker, SK Hynix's agreement focuses on establishing an advanced facility for semiconductor packaging in the U.S. This move is part of the company's broader strategy to expand its global footprint and ensure stable supply chains. U.S. government initiatives. These agreements align with the U.S. government's initiatives to bolster its semiconductor industry, particularly through the CHIPS Act, which aims to invest heavily in domestic semiconductor research, development, and manufacturing. Strategic importance. Semiconductor packaging is a critical step in the production of microchips, involving the assembly and testing of silicon chips before they are integrated into devices. By securing these facilities domestically, the U.S. aims to mitigate risks associated with supply chain disruptions and maintain technological leadership. Geopolitical considerations. The deals also come amidst ongoing concerns about the concentration of semiconductor manufacturing in East Asia, particularly in Taiwan and South Korea, regions that are geopolitically sensitive. This development is seen as a significant step towards securing the semiconductor supply chain and fostering advanced technology manufacturing within the U.S.